That's my mom right there going on her phone right there. Mom, say hi to the viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Okay, this is we're back where I got you guys. Then now, that's a new part. Oh yeah, rock and roll people. Rocky, 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 roll, 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 roll. Rocky, 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 roll, roll, roll. Yeah. Oh wait, that's my mom's. That's Myrtle Beach, and that's rock and roll again. And I got some donuts right there. Okay, we're watching Home Alone. Home Alone, Home Alone, Home Alone. Yeah. And on it's the Grinch. Mr. Grinch doesn't have to. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going, but that's oh yeah, I forgot. Santa Claus, da da, dun, 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 dun. Shining bright, shining bright, shining around and around here, shining, shining, shining. Oh my God. I'm on my bed. I'm gonna watch it. No red right there. Okay. For no reason, baby. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Hi guys, welcome to Tomos. We're gonna go to Disney World right here. Disney World. So this is a big one. Cause that's how we're gonna go there. So we're just gonna I just need to put. Hi guys, welcome to Tomos. I'm going to Disney World right now.
Right now we're in Orlando, Florida, keeping up the theme park. Weather is like 84 degrees. Very nice.
It's cocky. It's very nice out.
Next stop,
My hand just broke. Oh my God. Guys, are you so excited to go to Disney? We're almost there.
Very cool.
We're almost there. We're there. We're on Disney World right now. We're here. Disney World. Let's use it.
Here we go, it's going down.
Yes. Yes! Hi guys, we're here. The Magic Kingdom.
Tomo, can you get me my purse?
Oh, got it.
With the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children. Thank you.
Para favor de permanecer con las puertas.
Hi guys, welcome to Tomos. We're going on a monorail. We're waiting for the train.
Better, you get 50. Cool, be in the shell.
Hi guys, we're waiting in line in Slinky. We're about to go inside. We're waiting. That's all I wanted to say. I didn't know it was like that.
Here we go. You excited? It's going down. Oh yes, this is gonna be fun. Slinky ride, huh? What is it called? The Slinky ride? You happy there? Always down for the Slinky ride, right?
It's time to spring in there.
Here we go. You guys ready? It's going down. What now? What now, Tomo? Tomo looks a little worried.
Here we go.
How you holding up?
You've got a friend in me.
Tom had a heart attack. Tom had a little heart attack.
You can do it dashing around the backyard. Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your stuff and step out to your right.
Oh, that was a lot of fun, huh?
I was serious the whole time.
You were serious?
Yeah.
The whole time?
I did not put my hands up.
I was like, ah! I was yelling. I was like, ah!
I was like,
Tom was serious the whole time?
I did not
Yeah.
even laugh.
I was like, oh, there was like those butterflies in my stomach.
No, Tomo was so serious. He was scared. He was like,
Really?
yeah, and then he closed his eyes. He's like, ooh.
What?
Yeah?
Wow, I was like, me and the little girl were like, ah, that was fun.
But check at Masata Network.
Yeah, for like what, 30 seconds of a ride?
Yeah.
Wow. But it was fun. It went up, down. There were a lot of butterflies in your stomach.
It
Huh?
was fun.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That was cool. The best ride.
My legs are so busy now.
Yeah. Your legs are busy right now? They're a little shaking, huh? But you can still walk, okay, right? That was fun. I love these roller coasters. It was a lot of fun. Huh?
I still feel like I'm still in the roller coaster.
You still feel like you're still on the roller coaster?
Yeah.
You still got butterflies in your stomach?
No.
Nice. Let's see.
Guys, guess what? Ari, guess. Guess what? We're at Pandora. My mom said Pandora. Yeah, she's here. Not Pandora.
All right, we're in Pandora right now. Wow.
You know where you can get this wristband? Only at Mickey Mouse, Disney World only.
Only in Disney World? Wow, that looks amazing. Oh,
That's Pandora honey.
Pandora honey, right?
Yeah, Pandora eats
Pandora jam. Wow, that's kind of cool.
it's Pandora honey.
Wow, this looks amazing. Look at. Looks like real Pandora, huh?
Yeah, it is. It is real, but there's like cheese everywhere.
Wow. The sound of Pandora. Call it Pandora people. For the ride?
Yeah.
Sweet cheese. Call it Pandora people, hurry! They're gonna take down the tree. Get your tribe.